Hello there and welcome. My name is Linda Ektadari, and as you can see from my picture, I'm a world traveler. Having studied and taught at universities around the world, I've learned to adapt to foreign languages and cultures. Well, I'm still a traveler today, but this time in a very different world, the world of internet marketing. It has its own foreign language and culture. And believe me, learning to adapt to it has not always been easy. Internet marketing has been a new and challenging adventure from which I've drawn the strengths that have made me a better internet marketer today. So please allow me to make this adventure a little easier for you and share with you what I've found out about binary options. With that being said, simply allow me to be your passport to internet marketing success. This is a review of Traders Oracle by the Traders Oracle team. I'm not affiliated with either, and I'm not being compensated for reviewing this program, so safe passage is definitely guaranteed. In the next few moments, I'm going to share my thoughts and findings on this product. I know you're excited about it and have been encouraged to buy it. This review will help you make a final decision because I'm going to give you some insider scoops on this program and binary options. So let's just go ahead and begin, but with a precaution, if I may. Important is don't buy Traders Oracle before watching this video review to the end because I want to advise you of several precautionary measures that you might wish to consider before using it. Should you decide not to go with Traders Oracle after considering the precautions, you don't need to leave empty-handed. You could make a decision to accept a very special free offer, which can be used to make money without depositing any money with the broker, without forecasting, and without risk-taking. And it's Jeff Buchanan's Instant Payday Network. You can just click on the link below this video to get it after watching this review to the end. Okay, now I think we can go ahead and begin. Traders Oracle is a trading system developed by Traders Oracle team. It is a binary options trading program for all kinds of traders that watches closely over the market and looks for profitable binary option trades. When it finds an option that meets its criteria, it will send out a notification to alert traders. This system prides itself on a social trading tool called the Trader Choice and claims that it is 100% trustworthy. It is supposed to help traders decide whether they should place a put option or a call option by allowing them to see which direction the majority of traders are following. This social trading tool allows traders to use the wisdom of the crowd instead of a Pythia of Apollo at Delphi in order to make trading decisions. After opening your account, you'll find this tool on the recommended broker's website. Moreover, the company offers great support and a 100% money-back guarantee for the first 60 days. In case you're not satisfied with the results, you can return this product and ask for a full refund. This program also suggests that it can help internet marketers, especially novice marketers, make money trading binary options with a few clicks of the mouse. What this really means is that the system is supposed to tell you what to trade and when to trade, but the key words here supposed to, because whether it is really this efficient is a maybe. Everyone really wants to believe that this works. However, let's first consider what binary options appear to be, and if you want to base your beliefs and hard-earned cash on forecasts and predictions, and also on the wisdom of the other traders. Binary options are very popular, especially in the U.S. Various software programs such as this one are popping up everywhere, making claims that trading with their software will make you money. Therefore, if you are a newbie, all I'm saying is be careful before opening up a trading account. Developers often know that newbies might be willing to spend big money on anything they see for sale online, hoping it might help them learn how to make money. Also, developers get kickbacks from trading companies if new accounts are opened because suggested brokers are often listed in the software packages. This is why Traders Oracle team is able to give away this system for free initially, he, they will always be getting kickbacks, and the brokers will always be making money on your trades and the trades of hundreds of other clients that have been referred. But statistically speaking, you will not always be making money because this type of a system, which is based on forecasting, is riskier for you than for them, that is, for the developers and the brokers. You don't really think about this when you hear about this system, and it seems very intriguing and you want to get started with it right away. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with this, but you just must proceed with caution. And this particular program said you needed to read everything about it and understand it completely before using it, even if you are going to use the social tool that they have there. So if you're just starting out and have not traded binary options before, just know that this method of trading is, as I mentioned, very risky because it's an all or nothing proposition where payoffs are a fixed amount or nothing. This means if you win, you get the fixed amount. If you lose, you get nothing. You lose the whole trade amount. Just keep in mind you're not buying stocks or assets, nor do you need to own any when you're trading binary options. Rather, you're just predicting whether an asset will go up or down within a trade period of time, which could be anywhere from 30 seconds to 30 minutes, for example, because those times vary. You are the software, and sometimes both, on placing bets on a forecast. Forecasts are not certain, just like weather forecasts are not certain. And it is always mentioned that in these programs that they know that you cannot win 100% of the time. This is just being realistic. And that's why you must be careful. The question is, what percentage of the time will you win? And often they do guarantee a certain percentage of the time, but you have to check all that out. Now, I do know that there are safer, freer ways to make money with programs online, such as Instant Payday Network. I previously mentioned this program to you, and you can click the link below this video to check it out anytime. But a good rule of thumb is not to trade binary options unless you do not need the money. You might lose, and many people they don't need the money, so they don't mind losing it, and they like the thrill of the risk and etc. But if you don't have the money, you should keep that in mind. And also, many sites mention this that if you don't trade unless you don't need the money, you might lose. Now, in any case, you need to open a trading account to get started with a recommended broker, and you need to deposit real money. Usually it's around $250. And then once you've done this, you can open your trading account, you can download the program and begin using it right away. But I wasn't able to find any specific amount of money that you had to deposit, so you'll find that out when you get there. But a few tips if you're still intrigued by the system and want to take it for a test run. Here's some things to keep in mind. Don't accept matching deposit bonuses when opening an account. If you decide to quit, it's difficult to get a refund back. So if you're new at this, you might want to work with the system a couple times before accepting any matching bonuses. Secondly, have an account manager from each brokerage open up a demo account for you. Doesn't hurt to ask, and often they have those anyways, and you wind up just using it before you start trading. It's a dummy account with fake money where you can just trade without risking anything and just test your skills. Maybe 50 to 100 trades or until you feel comfortable. And thirdly, try real trading by betting maybe $5 to $10 per account. And if you don't feel comfortable, simply close all the accounts. And remember, you can usually get your money back if you have not accepted any matching deposit bonuses, but you have to read through their rules carefully. Sometimes they say there are absolutely no refunds, and other times, if you haven't accepted the bonuses, you can get a refund. So be very careful in reading through the rules there. Uh, Yeah, one other thing I'd like to mention, if you're thinking about using this product as an affiliate marketer instead of as an end user, um, you will be in competition with more experienced marketers if you're a newbie. So just be careful. Once again, the decision is yours in the end. Uh, Trader Oracle team, they're brilliant marketers in the field of binary options. And they've put together a really intriguing marketing product here uh, using this social tool, which I find interesting. It could really fill many trading and marketing needs, assuming that it works as well as advertised. I'm just not sure about the wisdom of the other traders, and that's one thing you have to consider also. I'm not saying that they're not wise, but you just have to decide, who you're going to follow. This Since the system basically tells you what to trade and when to trade, especially if you're following everybody else, kind of frees up your time to try other things that really work that aren't risk free, such as Instant Payday Network. Or you could even do both programs simultaneously. If you lose too much money with Traders Oracle, you still have this in your back pocket to give your undivided attention to, and you might regain some of the money you might lose using Traders Oracle. I mean, who knows? If they guarantee you 80% and you lose 20, then maybe you can make up the other 20% using other programs. I always think it's kind of good not to put all your eggs in one basket, sort of like money markets, just divided up into different categories so you have more than one thing working for you. Let's see. I think the best part of my review is coming up here because I just want to tell you a little bit more about Instant Payday Network. Uh, that, as I said, may help you make up your losses. And it was created by Jeff Buchanan, as you can see there. His program has no trial periods because it's always free and yours to keep forever. You can click on the link below at passport to internetmarketingsuccess.com, my website, and take a look at it. I've looked for a long time, and this is the best free and time efficient program I found. There's other programs, but I was looking for something that was free because I wanted to try it out, and also something that was time efficient. And last but not least, I wanted to find out a program that would help me understand the two best kept secrets on the internet: traffic and conversions. That's hard to find, or you have to pay a lot of money. And Jeff's program is very nice because he has a little mini reference library that shows you different ways to drive traffic, and you can choose what works the best for you. But let's just take a little look at what the program is not, and this will answer a lot of your questions. It's not an MLM, it's not a multi-level marketing because there's nothing to sell. There's no bugging friends and family because there's nothing to buy. There's no cold calling, no three-way calling. There's no products to ship or warehouse, no inventory to track, and I guess that's understandable because I already mentioned that there's nothing to sell, so that just is logically understandable. Now, what else? That's about it, and I want to go right now over to what the program offers. It's a free, complete turnkey marketing system built to bring in traffic and make conversions. There's free capture page with no monthly hosting, with a 35 to 50% conversion rate, which is a very good rate every day. Capture pages cost a lot to be built, as you would like them to be built, and then you've got to make sure they work correctly. And Jeff Buchanan has saved you all the time and expense here. Free automated sales funnel where you can get paid every day for the work that you do. A free email autoresponder to help you with your email list. It's crucial to build those. And I've checked it out. These programs elsewhere are $30 to $40 a month, and it's really great that he has this all set up to work free for you. Then there's an exclusive training center set up to make money. As I mentioned, it's like a little mini reference library, lots of resources, and you can select how you'd like to drive traffic and make the conversions. And if you're wondering, I think I may have forgot to mention it earlier, but the reason why there is no product to sell is that you're just driving traffic to Fortune 500 sites, and when the traffic or the people that make up the traffic pick a free offer on the site, then the company, Fortune 500 companies, will pay you um, because they've taken a free offer. So it's kind of a win-win situation. Uh, and Jeff explains that more in detail. I didn't do a real good job of explaining, but that's basically what it is. And I think I mentioned that it was free to get started with that program. Well, that's the best free program I've found, and it's set up for people such as yourself that are looking for different ways to make money online. Don't you're sick of the ClickBank systems or the push button softwares, or if you're losing money trading, this could help you with some additional funds. You won't make $1 million overnight, but to be perfectly honest, you'll probably start out at making around $100 to $150 a day. All you have to do is follow the steps and strategies that the system teaches you, and I will personally be your internet marketing coach. You can call or email me anytime you need help. I think another thing that you can do is that you can go on Google and input Instant Payday Network income proof statement, and you'll find over 9,000 people making money with this system. And some people actually do, you'll find this out, make up to $10,000 a month, and some even more than that. Uh, let's see. We're coming to the end of this review, and again, you can go ahead and click the link below. Here's a last minute review of the product once again, and it's all for free. And it's a good study too, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed with it. As I mentioned, uh, you'll have it there in your back pocket as a secondary resource, or you may have other programs as well. I don't know, but I hope this all makes sense to you. If you decide if you decide to not to purchase it, and if you purchase the Traders Oracle instead, I really hope it works out for you because, as I said, it sounds like a really fun, intriguing program. But if you need to make up losses or you don't like it, just come back here and click the link below. I hope you feel that this review was helpful. Please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Wishing you all the best, my fellow internet travelers.